Thanks, Father. Yeah.
Whoa. What was that? A bellyquake?
A sneeze. Mama has allegories.
Wait a minute. If we can get close enough to the lungs
And catch the wind from the sneeze, we're home free!
we don't have much time. Baby, we're gonna need your help.
Let's do this.
Baby, we're ready! On my count! 5, 4, 3, 2,
I've got a bad feeling about this.
1! Blast off!
Potential sneeze detected. Sneeze buildup detected.
We're gonna make it.
I'm good.
We're not gonna make it.
Sneezer failure.
Sneeze, Mama, sneeze.
Yeah.
Potential sneeze detected. Sensing sneeze buildup.
Yeah.
She's going to blow. Holy cow, we did it.
Woo! Did you hear that?
Oh,